Yeah, we're ready.
Alright. Tell me when. Go! What the fuck was that? Like a starfish.
Starfish.
Like a starfish. What was that? We're all gonna throw up burgers. Oh my god. Really dive? Dive. You can dive if you want to. If you get a spinal cord injury, it's hard. Jeff, is it safe to dive?
Yeah, as long as you go out. As long as you don't hit the boat, you're all right.
As long as I don't hit that?
Yeah, just don't hit the boat or the motor or anything. You're good.
Careful. Oh, shit.
Oh, nice job. Oh, it's plenty deep enough.
She's alive! Dive, Rachel. She's alive! I wasn't even close to the bottom.
No, you're not going to hit the bottom, that's for sure.